How to convert voice recording into text on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, all you gotta do is simply move into your application recordings or voice memos. Once you're in this page, move into the recording that you want to convert it into a text. Now you simply have to click on this audio icon. Once you're in the audio section, now you should see one option at the bottom left corner of the screen. In that option, you can see the feature of Transcribe audio. Once you click on it, it will convert the audio into text. Right now you can see the option is not available in mine. It's because I haven't updated to iOS 26. But for you, if you have updated to iOS 26, then this option will be available to you. You can simply click on it and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.